Pretzel, ain't nothing left.
His wife.
Ready? Go. Yeah, yo, can we get out of here, please?
It's all about the progression and the movement, you feel me?
Rag right here, even though it means something, it only costs more than $2 in the store. So I'm not gonna go out here and I'm not gonna kill Joe or Dick because of this. I'm gonna kill Joe or Dick if they harm my kids or my family.
HIP the east side.
Yeah, let's go.
Got a medic.
Kevin, where's my tobacco?
Now I know you don't know me, but I was at your past show this last week. I was watching from the back row.
I want you to free all my niggas.
Woo!
I will whip your ass right now.
This'll work, this'll work, this'll work perfect.
Get Bibles out of school.
This is it. This is my favorite shit.
What the fuck y'all got now? Nothing.
There's a saying, every homie ain't your home. You know what I mean?
We're just gonna try and get the message out there of how.
About what these police doing to us.
It's not lit. Okay, Costa.
I just think I wrote better jokes.
You alright? Jesus.
Dude, I literally cannot feel anything.
Nah, man, I have the band up.
What up?
I don't want no mistakes, you feel me?
As far as the bloods go, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's every day.
And it's fucked up in our city because it's like.
This is y'all fucking city.
Racist? Are you still talking?
Oh, that's really sick. Don't leave that on video.
Obviously not.
Right or wrong, you gotta stand for something, you're gonna fall for anything.